peppers! And today's video is gonna be short, sweet, and exciting. Ooh, much like my brand new, look at this, you guys. I freshly got this today. I washed it and I dried it and I'm so excited. Say hello. Don't leave this little guy out. It is cropped though, which is normally something I don't do. Also, this just doesn't, this is not an outfit. But I was so excited I had to put it on. I got this for like my crazy fashion TikTok videos. So if you guys see this in a future video on TikTok, just pretend like you're surprised. Pretend like you've never seen this in a video yet before. Also, I have tape stuck to my toe. Where was I at? I feel like I'm like very rambly today, but also I have some cute little boxes from KIDROBOT. We don't have a lot of them today, but we do have some of them and I'm very excited. We've got Gudetama mystery boxes, the extra lazy. So these are actually vinyl minifigures. We have done other blind boxes of Gudetama from KIDROBOT before. Plush keychains. Also, he was in some of the other collections that we've done, like the food truck ones. I think that we got oh, he was an ice cream cone for another food one. And what else was there? He's been in some other ones, but I don't remember how many other like just Gudetama blind boxes that there were. And then I have one random Hello Kitty Time to Shine. I was recently talking about how I need to get like a full case of these, but there's just one randomly put in this box today and I'm excited. You guys, what is going on with my hair? Also though, everybody say hello and welcome to the world. To my little, I think my hair is starting to grow from the months that I've devoted to not pulling it up on top of my head like this. I think it started to like grow back. Hello, where are they? Oh yes, look at them. Look at them growing. I'm excited for my little bitty, nearly invisible baby hairs, but sippy sippy. Also, I don't know why I have these goggles on today. I kind of just really like the way that they look. So let's open the Hello Kitty first because she's the odd one out today. So we have aliens, a pirate. I really hope we get the pirate. I think that the alien is the one that we got. Correct me if I'm wrong. So my two hopefuls would be pirate number one or also scary clown. And what the heck is it? Is this like Jack the Ripper Hello Kitty? Because I would also just be very excited for, oh, steampunk. Steampunk. I should have, that's much more befitting for Hello Kitty. Hello. What have you guys been up to? It is once again the weekend and it feels like 18 degrees outside. There I was. I thought winter and well, fall is definitely over, but I thought winter was over. And then it's been 70 all week and now it's 18. It's 18. I'm not excited about that, even though I'm shouting like I am excited. Hey, what is this one? Oh my God! This is so cute. You guys, I think we have the alien one. The alien one? What's an alien? I think we have the alien one on a shelf. It's not in this room anymore. That much I can tell you. But how cute is this? Because it's like, you know, matchy-matchy. It's a little matchy-matchy set. We have, what are they gonna call this one? Spaceship Explorer. Hello Kitty. There's not a chart in there. I think most companies now have done away with the charts. Let me know if you guys have had a different experience. Pop Mart does the cards. KIDROBOT, I think, just prints it on the boxes. And I think only like mini brands and stuff still do the charts. What is this? Oh my God! Did we? No, we didn't. What is that one? 3 out of every 24. This one is like kind of common. I had no idea. At first I thought we got this one because she also has the little antenna things on her head. But maybe there's like a special version of that, or it also kind of looks like the silhouette for the alien, to be honest. So maybe there's another colorway of that one, but I love these, you guys. Such high quality. And every time I get a Hello Kitty anything, it just gives me like flashbacks to when my room was all pink and Hello Kitty. I know I've had to tell you guys about this before. I need to see if I can like find a picture of that. I was just watching the Cheap Chick's newest video where she was like cleaning her closet and then she like showed pictures out of her yearbook and I was like, oh my God, I should do like a fun little like, this is what my room looked like. You know what? I think forever ago when I did the trend of doing the makeup, you guys remember like several years ago when it was like doing my makeup how I did it in high school. I think maybe I showed you guys a picture of what my all pink Hello Kitty themed room looked like back then. It was fun. I also had a pink beaded curtain. Hello Kitty Gudetama. I already read the title. Why am I literally doing that again? We have 5 of these and they're so, oh my God, Gudetama. That's so cute. He's tanning. Ooh, there's like a 24 karat gold egg version. That looks like it's the most rare. Oh my God. I want the one with the little mirror that says looking good. So after we unbox these today, I'm probably gonna give all of these to my mom because she loves Gudetama. Like I have gotten her she loves Gudetama t-shirts and they actually sell them on Amazon. I think that that's like the official distributor for these like particular Sanrio shirts, but they always come out with new ones for every holiday. So she has ones where it's like Gudetama for Easter and it's like he looks like Easter eggs, and it's like a Gudetama New Year's one, Gudetama for spring, Gudetama for fall. If there's a holiday, there's a Gudetama. Oh, what is this one? Oh my God, I think we got the tan one. Oh, this is so cute. So cute. Here's his egg base. Oh my God, do you guys see the egg imprint? Almost said egg implant. I'd rather not. And then okay, how does he say it? I just called you guys' attention to the egg imprints. Oh my God. Look at him. Look at that. And the sunglasses actually kind of can move a little bit. So you can see like where he's like, oh, I've got my glasses. They've given me a strange tan. Or you can actually like affix them to the back of his head. And then he looks like he's, oh, maybe that's the way it does go. I thought you could like more position it to where it looks like he's like wearing them or they're like off. Either way, oh my God. The detail of these is so adorable. The glasses actually remind me of a little mini Andy Warhol. Do you guys remember those? They were actually out of the same, I think, Brillo collection that we just unboxed some things from. There was like a little Andy Warhol glasses. It's so cute. So cute. So let's check his rareness. What is that one? 3 out of every 24. So kind of more common. What are the, oh, there's like, oh my God. Could have had a V8. You guys, look at how cool this is. I totally almost missed that entire experience. I started to feel the box and I was like, why is this like kind of perforated? You're supposed to crack it open like an egg. Oh my God, how easy is that? Oh, there we go. It's neither easy nor hard. It's, yeah. Okay, better luck next time. Yeah, because it is like solid on the front, so it's not like you can like completely separate the box, but I'll do a better I'll do a better job next time. No, you guys, it's a repeat. No. Can you imagine if I just open all 5 of them and all 5 of them are tanning Gudetamas? You know, I shouldn't even say that because I'm pretty sure we had a Sunny Angel unboxing experience one time that went like that. And oh boy, was that a different experience. Okay, I want to crack it right there where it says crack to open, but easier said than done. Okay, I'm just like poking a hole in it. Ah! Oh, it kind of, I just tore his face open. Ooh. Okay, better luck next time. Is it tanning? If it is, I'm gonna scream. Oh, good, it's not. Even though I screamed anyway. Which one did we get? Which one? He's in a little blanket. These are so cute, you guys. I'm screaming. Why does he have a hole in his butt? I thought he was gonna like affix to the base, but he just has a random hole. Look at him. He's wrapped in his little blanket of bacon. Oh, you guys. Oh my God. I was gonna say too much caffeine today, but I think not nearly enough. Which one are you? He is, oh my gosh, where is he on the box? Oh, bacon wrapped, 3 out of every 24. Also not super rare, but hey, can you guys imagine if we get the gold one? Okay, did you see that? Obviously, you probably did. Okay, what is this one? Oh my God, look, he's a little nerd. That's so, have I said that's so cute about every single one? Because they're all cute. I don't think I've ever seen a Gudetama where I was like, you know what? That's not a cute one. I think they're all cute. I love that they all come with the little egg white base too. So there he is in his little nerd tie with his little nerd glasses. Do you guys remember when everybody just like wore those glasses? Unironically wore the nerd glasses? I feel like that was like a thing that happened. I don't remember when, but I remember that it did. Nerd, 2 out of every 24 for our dear nerd. All right, you guys, last box. Can I crack it? No, I feel like I'm just squishing up, just Oh, look, that was like nearly a 3-sided crack. Ooh, beautiful. All right, you guys, last one. Ooh, I think we got a rare one. We did. I think that this is actually the rarest one besides the actual like mystery out of mystery where they don't even like tell you how rare it is. But this one, he's in, oh my God, he's trying to climb out, I think. What am I not doing here? Oh, he's climbing in. I thought he was like in the avocado, but he's, oh my God, he's trying to get out. That's so funny. I'm trying to think, have I ever had a dish that had both avocados and eggs? Oh my God, you guys, he doesn't want to like, I'm trying to pin him in there. But I do think one time I went to this like fancy burger place in California, and I think that I had both egg and avocado on the burger. So cute, you guys. There he is. There's his little avocado. I think I've seen a t-shirt or something before where he is like using an avocado as a sailboat. So I think that that's why I thought he would be like sitting in it and then like peeking over, but he's trying to escape, I think. So avocado, 1 out of every 24. And I'm trying to see, I think that that is, yeah, so that is the most rare, like I said, besides the secrets. And you guys, pet sausage is adorable as well. I kind of want to get more of these. Do you guys want to see more of these, or do you think like you've seen enough? Because you've seen 4 different ones, 3 different ones, 4 different ones. Yeah, I can count. Just barely though, you guys. All right, well, I thought that these were adorable. I would honestly like to unbox more of both. I don't know what other like new stuff KIDROBOT is coming out with soon. I think that they're doing something new for SpongeBob. I've seen a lot of like the larger figures that they've been releasing, the ones that are like super like more limited edition, but usually I don't like get those because I just like there's not much for us to like unbox together, you know? I don't know what video is coming up next on this channel, but I think I'm filming a bunch of fashion and hair content for my main channel. You guys have to let me know if you're getting off spring break this year and when you're getting off for spring break this year. I know some people do spring break and some people don't. So you have to let me know because I'm trying to like prepare for that. But anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. Let me know all of your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below about these adorable little figures we have seen today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is going to be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. I already said very, very soon once. Also, this has a hood, which, can you see? It also has ears. So cute. I never wear the hoods of hoodies though. Do you wear the hoods of hoodies? Let me know. Anyway, love you guys.